Responding to Bishop Mutendi's speech, a call for parliamentary vote on presidential election, Serapina mashoko kuda panguva ino kuonekwa kunzi Isaac Makomichi uye achipindura pamusoro pespeech yaitwa naBishop Mutendi. Vanozivikanwa kunzi Bishop Mutendi panguva ino anoendorsa constitutional amendments pamwechete nevision 2030 achiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa, what can stop him? Ngaaramba achiita development. Tisatapinda mumashoko anobuda panguva ino anongwa kunzi this is in total violation of the constitution. Toti subscribe wala ikatonda bell icon. Makomichi anouya panguva ino achiuya achicorrecta Bishop achiti, firstly, the one man one vote issue is not about religion, it's about the war fought by our freedom fighters. That mistakes Bishop Mutendi's speech invalid. I want to praise Bishop Mutendi for backing politicians who have funded him heavily. Chivayo donated over 1 million and bought him cars. After all, it's normal for him to support Cap 3. Mutendi is an honest man who is just returning the favor. No need to blame him over his speech, but we citizens didn't receive millions, so his words are just that. Words from someone who is benefited. Well done, Bishop Mutendi, for returning the favor, but we the public say no to Cap 3. No one can rewrite our history. One man, one vote is a core liberation value. It won't be changed by personal opinions to be a politician or a better bishop or whoever. Roma developments are kuda panguva ino achitaura pamusoro pespeech yaBishop Mutendi. Pinda kumasection medu dzafungo enyimoti kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tinoona Makomichi achimukriticize pamusoro pekuti aiwa akareceiva support kubva kune mapolitical allies. Pinda kumasection medu dzafungo enyu, subscribe wala ikachitonda bell icon.